With this video, I wanted to show you guys how to make a graph. Question 13 in section 2 asks you to use the information in this table to fill in this graph, and so I wanted to show you guys how to do that in Excel. It's super easy, super cool, and you'll get a really nice graph. And my mistake, it's not Excel, it's Google Sheets that you're going to use. So what you want to do is open up in Google Drive. You want to create a Google Sheets. And then from there, once you have a spreadsheet open, you want to recreate this table that they give you in that spreadsheet. So you would do see, number of days of UV exposure. Oops. That would go in the first cell, number of days of UV exposure. And you could make this cell longer by dragging it out. And then this, oh, I accidentally opened up 2, that's why. Number of deformed frogs, that's going to go in cell B. Number of deformed frogs, going to go in cell B, and then we can make this one bigger as well. And this was going to be 0, 15, and 24. 0 days, 15 days, and 24 days. And the number of deformed frogs, 0, 0, and 48. 0, 0, 48. Okay, so now I've recreated my table. Now what you want to do is you want to highlight the table, and then you want to go to over here where it says more, click that, and then go to this button that says insert chart. You want to click that and it'll automatically insert a chart for you. You want to change it so it's not a line chart, but a bar or a column chart. There it is. There's your column chart. Okay, it looks almost like the one that's in the PDF, except a couple things are different. Let's see, number of days of UV exposure, that's the x-axis. We have that here, number of days of UV exposure. That looks good. The y-axis is number of deformed frogs. Number of deformed frogs, we have that. That's good. The title, study of the effect of UV light on frogs. We need to change ours so it matches. So I'll double click the title and then you can change it here. Study of the effect of UV light. Study of the effect of UV light on frogs. Yep. Okay, and then it'll show up right there. Study of the effect of UV light on frogs. Last thing, our scaling is a little bit off. Here we have 0, 15, 24 for our x-axis, which is fine. And then this one goes from 0 to 100, so we need to change that. You can double click on it and then go to, it's already showed, it already has vertical, you're in vertical axis here. You want to go to right here and set up minimum and maximum values. Minimum value is 0, maximum value is 100. Okay, and there it is. There's your chart. Okay, now you have your chart. You want to insert it into your Google Doc. So if this were my Google Doc, and this is question 13 in section 2, so this goes for into Tuesday. You want to click the insert button and go down to where it says charts and then go from sheets. This is the one that I just made. So I click on that, double tap it, and it'll tell you like this is the only charts in your spreadsheet. Is this the one that you want to insert? You want to click on it and click import. And then you can adjust this right here. And that's it. That's your, let me see, 13, do it like that. That's it. That's my chart. Couple things you can do if you want to. You can give this a border, I think. Let me see. Chart style, font background. I can actually change the background. You can play around. You can play around and make it look, the way you want it to look. See my background, I can change that. Make it look cool and fun. If you want gray, purple, chart border. This is the one I wanted to change. This doesn't have a chart border right now. Let's do black border. And then chart background, I don't like that one. Maybe blue. Let me see if I can change the color here. Change this one to pink or something. Yeah. And let me go back now. Get rid of this one and insert my new one from Sheets. Select. There it is. That's the one I want to import. You have to click on it, click import, and there's my graph. It looks perfect. Looks really good.